Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 VW Tiguan R-Line. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and this is a one-owner vehicle having covered just over 38,000 miles and comes with good service history. This particular colour is the metallic Indium Grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. Being the R-Line, you've also got the sport seats there with an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. The R-Line comes very well equipped, so a few features I can mention. You've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has heated front seats as well as climate control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror controls, as well as your 4 window switches and your electric tailgate button there. And one of the features I like most is you've also got the full-length glass opening sunroof as well. The Tiguan's a great car for the family. So nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. Rear passengers have their own air vents, which they can control with the buttons there in the centre. They also have their charging ports as well as the fold-away picnic tables. And opening the tailgate, which is electric, reveals a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also 360-degree parking cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.